Sorry we haven't posted a video in a while. We were both on vacation. So today we're going to do 2 videos. Right now we're doing the Chug-a-jug challenge. And our rules are you can only stop drinking it if you say a word. And it can only be a word, not a sentence. And sorry about all the noise. We're outside, obviously. So let's get started. You want to go first? Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yes.
No!
Okay, I want you to go first.
No, I didn't want to go first.
Let's get your timer set up. Get on the camera more.
I'm going to throw up. I just know it.
Where is it? No. Oh, I know. I looked at calculator and pressed it. Okay.
She's making this video longer.
Sorry, no, what? Stopwatch, there we go. Ready?
No.
Set, go.
Oh. Bananas.
Can't stop unless you say a word, and you have to go right back to
Apples, it burns.
Stop staying in the camera.
Orange.
You probably should have done this with like Gatorade or something.
Aww.
Say a word.
The strawberries.
Oh,
My
no.
stomach hurts, I quit.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Well, you got 54 seconds.
And I drink like more than half.
Okay. See if I can get past that. Okay, remember your time. Here.
Wait, 54.
I got it. Okay. And then.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, that's my turn.
I totally regret this.
And I love soda, so this is going to be easy, hopefully. Ready, set, go. Coconut.
Oh, it burns and it hurts your stomach. Oh my gosh.
Cindy. Stephanie.
I'm gonna burp. It's like right here. It is big, I think. Is it your stomach?
Show. Oh my gosh.
Oh, that helped. That helped a lot.
Here.
I can probably drink more now.
On. I feel really embarrassed. Here on. Oh, my stomach feels good. YouTube. Hair. Sorry, guys. On. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Weak.
Oh my gosh.
Burp.
It feels so good though. Alright. But excuse me.
Disgusting.
Are you seriously drinking this all?
Well, I hope, because then I win.
Can I try again? 'Cause my stomach doesn't hurt.
Trees.
I'm doing it for fun.
Or. Beautiful.
Swing.
Stop. I won. I mean, it took me 2 minutes, but I won.
Okay, I'm
It's all gone. My stomach really hurts now. Okay, Steph, it's time to say goodbye. You lost. I'm the winner.
Oh, it hurts.
Again, winner.
It hurts.
Oh my gosh. Excuse us for burping so much.
Yeah, but it felt
Soda.
so good though.
Soda burns when you try to chug it.
Burns.
Oh, and I don't feel good now. But we will have another video, and we will post it either today or tomorrow. If it's not today, it's because I'm working and I'm the only one who posts stuff. Stephanie doesn't know how to. But goodbye. Okay, goodbye.